All right. Try this seat.
Yeah, whatever works for you.
All right. This one looks good.
Gotta get in the front seat with the camera, otherwise you'll be looking at the back of somebody's headrest.
That's right.
Okay, I'll clear. Dispatch in 3, 2, 1.
There we go.
All right. Brace for impact prior to the first loop, I think, or somewhere around there.
I'll find it. I like the new restraints, but that transition right there. It wasn't hard to find that spot.
Yeah.
I said, this is what he's talking about.
Yeah, yeah. But the back seat was a little smoother for some bizarre reason.
Yeah. I'd like to have a close inspection of that track. See exactly what's happening there.
Somewhere around there is a pothole.
Imagine that.
All right. Nobody wants the front. I guess they're like the back now.
Yeah, they know the deal. Thank you.
Yeah.
Ride the front.
Might get the best view though.
Yeah, no doubt.
All right. Thank you.
This way.
Oh, they're nice looking though. I like the colors. The nice twisty tracks. SLCs are very photogenic.